In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Teams recording. In this fast-paced digital world, sharing recorded meetings or sessions has become crucial for keeping everyone in the loop, whether they attended the meeting or not. So let me walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it quickly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to navigate your way to the Microsoft Teams website. It's there where you'll start this process. Once you arrive at the home page, look for the Sign In button and click on it. Use the email account associated with your Microsoft Teams to log in. It's important to ensure that you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple ones, to access the recording you intend to share. After you've successfully signed in, your next stop is the chat section. You can find this option on the left sidebar or sometimes directly on the main dashboard, depending on the layout updates Microsoft may have implemented. This section is basically your messaging hub, where all your conversation threads live. Now, within chat, it's time to locate the specific conversation or chat where your recording is. Click on the chat where the meeting took place and where the recording was shared or saved. Remember, finding the correct chat might take a moment if you're a part of many teams or groups, so use the search function if needed to save time. Once you've located the right chat, look for the recording you aim to share. It should appear as a message within the chat. You'll notice 3 dots or an ellipsis symbol appearing either directly on the recording message or nearby. Click on these 3 dots to unfold more options for managing the recorded file. Among the options that appear, you'll find Forward. Clicking on this will allow you to share the recording. It's a straightforward choice designed to make the act of sharing as easy as pie. After selecting Forward, you'll be prompted to choose who you want to send the recording to. This could be an individual, multiple people, or even a group depending on your preference. Lastly, after selecting the recipient, click on Forward again to finally send the recording their way. And just like that, you've shared a Microsoft Teams recording with someone who probably missed the meeting or simply needs to go back and reference what was discussed. A couple of tips before I wrap up. Always make sure you have the permission to share recordings, especially in professional settings, to respect privacy and confidentiality. And remember to label your recordings clearly when you save them. This will make it much easier to find and share them in the future. And there you have it. Sharing a Microsoft Teams recording doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple steps, you can ensure that your team stays informed and engaged no matter where they are. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools.